We have two patients do not like each other. One works for the police.
One claims
and has a gun.
Conceal and carry.
And I don't know what happened from there, but the other young lady has her gun.
It was one witness and it was one lady sitting right there. That's the only other real witness right there.
I know that she came in. You were already in the office. And she came in?
I was still getting checked in. She came in. She just fired her face up and she was talking on the phone. And I guess, I don't know, when she seen me, she got to talking. And I'm just like, okay, so what all that you was talking about my baby, like threatening me, talking about you gonna kill me and my child. Like I said, I still have the messages.
Online? What was she talking?
Huh?
What was she talking to? Online or what?
Through text message, texting me from different numbers. She was texting my sister. Okay, so like what? Like, cause you think I'm just not gonna say nothing about you steady threatening me? And this is my first time seeing her since she threatened me. I never was responding to her messages cause it's like, I'm not about to talk back to you over no message, sending threats. Like, what are we doing that for? So you shouldn't be talking about this. The front desk lady, oh, you shouldn't be talking about nobody kid. I'm like, that's what I'm saying. So that's what I'm just trying to figure out. Like, what is it? So then she not saying nothing. She just like she pulled her bag up. She pulled her bag up like this on the side of her.
How far were you guys from each other? Describe it.
At this point, when I seen her pull her bag, I already know she has a concealed carry. Like, I know that already. I knew that from being her associate. So I already knew that. So I stepped back because I'm not about to, what the heck? So I stepped back a little bit. Like, we were still pretty much close. We wasn't like super far apart.
Further than this or
maybe like one more step back. You can go one more step back. That was it. Like that. When she pulled out the gun, because I stepped back. And I'm like, what you finna pull out the gun? She like, yep. And I want you to do something. I'm like, I want you to do something. You don't want us pulling out the gun. I'm like, what you think you finna do with that gun? You think I'm finna just let you shoot me? She put a gun. And then at that point, she upped the gun and put it in my face. And when she put it in my face, I didn't have no choice but to grab it. Just like grab it. I grabbed the gun and I twisted her arm. And she was like behind me like this, and the gun was like right here, like her arm was right here.
So when she took the gun,
when she took the gun out, I'm like, what you go up the gun and what you finna shoot me or whatever? She was still, yeah, she was still like, she was pulling on her back. I'm like, what you finna up the gun? You finna shoot me or whatever? She like, yeah, I'm finna. She like, yeah, no, I want you to. Then that's when she put the gun in my face. She put the gun in my face, and then I grabbed the gun and I twisted her arm. And I'm like, what? I'm not letting you go. I'm not letting this gun go. And I had a better grip on the gun than she did because I snatched it and it was out of her hands at that point.
So she
and then that's when she ran up on me after I had her gun. She had me pinned up against that door that's up there. She had me up against the door and had my hair and her head down, and I just had her head. And she hit me, and I got to hit her with the gun. Every time you hit me, I'm finna hit you with your gun. And I got to hit her with her gun, and that's how she had that mark on her. I never hit her with my physical hand. I was just hitting her with the gun because I had the gun in this hand, and I was still trying to like defend myself with my other hand.
Did you fully get the gun out of her hand? Or?
Yes, the gun was. I had.
I have you to stand up, and we're gonna take you to the station, okay?
That's fine.
So, here's my junior form. Mom, here.
I don't understand why I'm going to jail,
Okay.
but
So at the very least right now,
Do you have that? You gave her the DL back?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you just check her, make sure again?
Yeah, you right?
Can I just put your purse up here?
I just got my taser and my purse.
we'll have more answers for you, okay?
Keanna Knox was charged with aggravated assault with a firearm and carrying a concealed weapon in a medical facility. She was later released pending a court date.